Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. After that, scroll down again, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of them, tap on this remove icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Make sure that this switcher next to show info when locked is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!